Hey guys, today let's learn how to delete all of the reposts on TikTok at once. So if you guys would like to go ahead and delete the reposts that you have done on the TikTok application all at once, all we need to do first is to launch the TikTok application. Now, once you're already here, all we need to do next once we're here is to go on over the repost section, or if you would like to go ahead and just easily locate where this is a fairly new feature on the TikTok application. And in order for us to accomplish this, all we need to do is to go on over our profile section, and then I would like you to go on over your three dots or three lines icon to access your settings, and I want you to tap on settings and privacy. And once you're here, I'd like you to go ahead and basically proceed with reporting a problem. Now, why is this? Because directly over here, in order for us to report or basically have our repost deleted all at once, we need to go ahead and report a problem with TikTok's help desk, and then proceed as well with asking them or sending them the request to delete all of your reposts. So in this case, I'm going to go ahead and basically tap on my account and profile. I'm going to tap on manage account. I'm going to go ahead and tap on the option for us to send the problem, and then proceed with just sending them the request for them to delete our reposts. And that's all for this video, guys.